Now Pakistani users can make money on Instagram. Big news!
I was waiting for it for so long, and I know you all would be waiting for it as well. After a long time of waiting, Pakistan is now eligible for Instagram monetization, which means that content creators can make big money just like they are earning from YouTube. Meta has finally added Pakistan to the list of places where people can make money on Instagram from brands, deals, advertisements, and good content. This is one of the big initiatives for Pakistani content producers, since they would be able to launch their careers on the site and earn a big amount on these financially stressed days.
No doubt, Instagram is used by millions of people in Pakistan, and there are many influencers on the platform as well. Actors and artists will get leverage since they would be readily able to gather viewers due to their good reputation. However, that doesn't mean newbies cannot earn well from this. If their content adheres to monetization regulations, they can earn a lot. Now you can make money on Instagram.
Those who are super excited like me and want to see how one can do it should navigate to Settings on your Instagram app.
Go to Account Branded Content Status.
From here, you would be able to see the requirements for monetization. If you go well with the requirements, you are eligible to make money, otherwise, you will have to work harder to reach the goal. Also, if you have not received this feature yet, there is no need to update the app since it's a server-side update, people will get it automatically. Creating good content is not easy but is not impossible as well.
For instance, some people make a static video with an image that doesn't move, so this cannot be profitable.
Other than this, slideshows of images, looping films, text montages, integrated advertisements, and polls using static graphics to gauge audience reaction to the content are also prohibited.
Dangerous and contentious content is prohibited, along with content that spreads fake information.
So, one needs to take care of these small things and they can shine bright.
For more information, check the description below.
If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.